Good Wednesday afternoon. Off the top at noon, day 3 of the Christopher Schurr trial included a call for a mistrial and a directed verdict. The defense made the request after the prosecution rested its case. The former Grand Rapids officer is charged with second-degree murder for the deadly shooting of Patrick Lioya 3 years ago. 13 on your side's Callie Lichter is have been following the case all week and joins us live this afternoon from the Kent County Courthouse. Now, Callie, the call for a mistrial and directed verdict, is this unusual?
Deja, although the defense does have a right to file motions for both the mistrial and the directed verdict, the judge says based on what she's seen so far, there isn't grounds to allow either. Now, the defense says that testimonies by both expert witnesses from the prosecution, Seth Soughton and Nick Bloomfield, created an unfair trial for Schurr, and it was too late to strike their evidence, leading them to motion for a mistrial. The defense also asked for a directed verdict, asking Judge Christina Mims to rule there was not enough evidence by the prosecution to prove the case. But Judge Mims disagreed, saying those two testimonies did not warrant a mistrial and that given the evidence she's heard, the prosecution proved their point.
I believe a rational trier of fact could find that the killing was not justified. And so, because that is the position of the court, I am denying a directed verdict of acquittal for those reasons, because I do not believe it to be appropriate under the circumstances.
When it comes to witnesses, we heard from the prosecution's last witness, use of force expert Nick Bloomfield, who worked with Seth Soughton on a report for this trial. And after the prosecution rested their case, we heard from the defense's first witness, Robert McFarland, who is a forensic video analyst. Live at the Kent County Courthouse, I'm Callie Lichter, 13 on your side.
Callie, thank you for that update. Now we're showing the full trial on our streaming app 13+. We're starting every morning at 8:30 with our Lauren Baker giving an overview of what's happened in the case so far and what's expected in the day ahead. The judge has ordered all media to show the trial on a 30-minute delay, so we'll begin showing you the trial around at least 9 a.m. We'll also have expert analysis and updates from our crews inside and outside the courthouse. Again, you can watch all our streaming app 13+. It's free to download.